Alright, so in the last video, I shared a quick unboxing of the Nothing Phone 1, and as you know by now, it does not come with a charger or a case inside the box. But these are sold separately, which is something I just don't like. But you can always wait for third-party cases and accessories, as that will be way cheaper. Also, I tested out the Nothing Phone 1 charging speed with the Warp Charge 65 adapter that comes with the Oneplus 8T. As it supports USB power delivery, and Nothing Phone 1 also supports USB power delivery at 33 watts, which is the max charging speed that it has. Nothing also sells a 45 watt adapter, but don't get confused as the phone supports 33 watts of max fast charging speed, and I'll share my observation in this video. So before we proceed further, a tap on that subscribe button would really help the channel out. And if you wish to watch this video in Hindi language, here is a card to the Bit Tech Hindi channel. Now for the charging test, so I use the OnePlus 8T charger with the phone 1, and yes, it works just fine, and here is a quick comparison. Nothing has claimed that the device takes around 70 minutes to fully charge with any 33 watt power delivery adapter. You cannot use the Warp Charge 30 adapter and others from Realme, Xiaomi or Oppo unless they support USB power delivery, and that too at 33 watts to get the best results. And you can check the same on your charger or the website of your company. So basically I started charging my device at 3% almost and connected the OnePlus 8T's charger, and basically the device was showing charging rapidly, which was a good sign. I also observed the max charging speed is attained when the screen is turned off. In 12 minutes the device charged almost 20%. After that I checked the device after almost 30 minutes on the clock, and the device charged to almost 54% already. So you can easily charge the device to almost 50% in 30 minutes. I kept on going further and the device was at 88% battery after 51 minutes almost, which is actually good charging speed. After this, the speed slowed down and the final 5% took a lot of time. So after all of it, the device charged completely in 1 hour 12 minutes, that is 72 minutes approximately, which is close to 70 minutes as claimed by Nothing. So yes, this proves that you can definitely use an old 8T charger. You can also use your MacBook or any USB power delivery charger lying around that supports this speed, and in case you don't want the mess, then feel free to buy the Nothing power adapter from Flipkart for the best results. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if you do end up liking this video, make sure to tap on that subscribe button and press that like button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. पसंद आई हो तो उस लाइक बटन पर जरूर टैप कीजिएगा और साथ ही उस सब्सक्राइब बटन पर भी। मिलते हैं जल्दी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय।